How to get revenge in Monopoly Go. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you on how you can get revenge in Monopoly Go. So without further ado, let's get started. Let me open the Monopoly Go app first. To know who attacked you, you need to tap the three lines on the top right corner. And you wanna go to board report. As you can see right here, Cherry attacked me 21 hours ago. To get revenge to Cherry, you just need to land in this spot, right here, the King's Cross Station, something like that. So let me fast forward the game. As you can see right here, I just chose a random enemy. If you want to chase the opponent, you can click the switch right here in the middle. And as you can see right here, you can now choose whoever you like. You want to revenge. I just revenged Cherry a while ago. So example, I'm gonna tap this, Isabella. And then there you go. You can attack her board. And boom, so as you can see, it's still dead. And there you go. And that's how to get revenge in Monopoly Go. I hope the video was really helpful. And if it did help you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial. See you soon in the next video.